Do you have a friend or family member that posts on Instagram an annoying amount? Ever wished you could temporarily stop seeing someone's posts without having to unfollow them and start following them again later? We've all been there. Luckily, there's now a solution. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to mute someone on Instagram to stop seeing their posts and/or stories in your feed temporarily. Now let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and find a post from the person you want to mute, or go to their profile by typing their username into the search bar. Then, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the post or of their profile. From the menu that appears, select Mute. Now, you can choose whether you want to mute their posts, their story, or both. That's all it takes to mute someone on Instagram. This will stop those posts from appearing on your Instagram timeline without unfollowing the account. The person you're muting will not be notified that you've muted them. You can unmute them at any time by going to their profile and tapping the three dots in the top right corner to access the unmute option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.